Good morning, dear children. How are you today? I hope you all are good at your home. So, this is your English workbook, children. Today, we are going to do our page number 9797. So, what is our worksheet, children? Beginning sounds. Beginning sounds means initial sound of the letters. Okay, so what we have to do, children, we have to recognize the picture, then we have to write the beginning sound of the letter. Okay, and complete the word. यहाँ पर पिक्चर्स दी गई हैं, यहाँ पे हमने बिगनिंग साउंड लिखना है, इनिशियल साउंड लिखना है. ठीक है, पिक्चर को देख के और हमने वर्ड को कंप्लीट करना है. राइट चिल्ड्रन, सो लेट्स डू आवर वर्कशीट. So children, this is your worksheet. Today is Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday. Today is 22nd of December 2021. And dear children, here you have to write your name. So your worksheet is say the name of each picture, then write the beginning sound. Now let's see the pictures. Pictures को देख के हम initial sound लिखेंगे children. Then we have to complete the word and then read it. Okay, so what is this, children? This is a bat. Bat है. So कौन सी साउंड आ रही है? ब साउंड आ रही है, तो हम यहाँ लिखेंगे लेटर बी. B-A-T, bat. Right, children? Now let's see the next picture. What is this? This is a cap. Sound आ रही है. So we have to write here small c. A-P, cap. C-A-P, cap. Now let's see the next picture. What is this? This is a dog. D sound hai. D sound किसकी होती है, children? It's letter D. So write small d, children. D-O-G, dog. Now what is this, children? This is a log. Log. L sound किसकी होती है? It's letter L. Log. Log. L-O-G, log. Now let's see the next picture. What is this, children? This is a van. What sound किसकी होती है? V-A-N, van. Right, children? Now let's see the next picture. What is this? This is a web. Web. किसकी sound आ रही है? वह sound किसकी होती है? W. Small w. Right? Small w. E-B, web. W-E-B, web. Now what is this, children? This is a zip. Sound किसकी होती है? Letter Z की. So you have to write small z. I-P, zip. Now let's see the next picture. What is this, children? This is hen. Hen. Sound किसकी है? Letter H की. H-E-N, hen. Now let's see next picture. What is this? This is a jug. Sound किसकी है, children? Small letter J. You have to write here small letter J. U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. What is this, children? This is a kite. Kite. So we have to write a small K. K-I-T-E, kite. Dear children, you have to read the spelling of the word. K-I-T-E, kite. Now what is this, children? This is a pen. Pen. Sound किसकी होती है? Letter P की. So P-E-N, pen. Now what is this? This is a rat. Rat. What is this? Sound किसकी होती है, children? It's R. Small letter R लिखेंगे इधर. R-A-T, rat. Rat. What is this, children? This is the sun. Sun. किसकी sound आ रही है? Initial sound क्या आ रही है बेटा? It's sun. किसकी sound है? It's letter S. Sun. Now what is this, children? This is a nest. Nest. Sound किसकी होती है? Small letter N. N-E-S-T, nest. S-U-N, sun. R-A-T, rat. Now let's read again the spellings, children. B-A-T, bat. C-A-P, cap. D-O-G, dog. L-O-G, log. V-A-N, van. W-E-B, web. Z-I-P, zip. H-E-N, hen. J-U-G, jug. K-I-T-E, kite. P-E-N, pen. R-A-T, rat. S-U-N, sun. N-E-S-T, nest. So dear children, first you have to recognize the picture, say the name, recognize the sound, write the letters and then read the words. And then send me a worksheet. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.